So Elgato made an XLR mic, which kind of surprised me. I was more surprised by the price of this microphone. This is a $99 dynamic mic. Now, am I expecting this to replace anyone's Shure SM7B? No. But I did want to get my hands on one to see if it would be a good budget option for someone who didn't want to spend $400 on a mic. By the way, I am not an Elgato partner, so this wasn't sent to me early or for free, so apologies on being a little late. Let's go check it out. This is the new Elgato Wave DX. No compression, no EQ, straight into the camera. You might notice the lack of a windscreen, but that's because it has an internal pop filter built into it, so a windscreen is not necessary. It has this really cool articulating arm over here, which is really great because you can actually remove the Elgato logo and mount it on whichever side you prefer. And just like every other Elgato product, it is a very sleek and good looking product. Now let's go test the Shure SM7B, which also has no EQ or compression on it. One thing that I noticed when I was testing these mics earlier is that the Wave DX doesn't require nearly as much gain as the SM7B. It is notorious for being a bit of a gain hog. So you don't necessarily need to go buy a cloud lifter or anything like that if you're going to use the Wave DX. You can use any audio interface with a decent preamp. I'm going to go listen to this and give you my final thoughts. Okay. This is a really good mic. When I listened back to that, what surprised me a little bit was that this already sounds a little bit dialed in EQ-wise. The SM7B, for instance, is very flat and you have to EQ it to get that sound that you want. This sounds really good right out of the box. And Elgato now has a built-in EQ in their Wavelink software, so you can EQ this even further. Overall, this is a really great mic, especially for the price. You can't really beat it at $99. I think you have to ask yourself, is there a $300 difference between this and something like the SM7B? For me, when it comes to music production, I'm still going to prefer the SM7B. However, as far as streaming goes, I don't know that there is a $300 difference between these two microphones. Now all that Elgato has to do is produce a monitor and a streaming PC, and they will be a one-stop shop for all your streaming needs. Very nice.